Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sync Basecamp schedule to Outlook calendar. All right. So first up, open up your project, click on it. Now just go ahead and go to schedule, click on schedule. And then here at the top, as you can see under schedule, we have add the schedule to Hey Calendar, Google Calendar, Outlook, iCalendar, and some other options. Just click on it. And then here, as you can see, we have Outlook, click on Outlook, and then just go ahead and click on open, pick an app. Okay. Click on it and go ahead and find the Outlook application. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and use the default one. Click on it and hit on just once or always. It's up to you. Wait for it to load. Now it says here, add this internet calendar to Outlook and subscribe to updates. Just go ahead and click on yes. All right. And then once done, just wait for it to load. As you can see here, as easy as that. Here you have your Basecamp project. And below you have the tasks or to-dos, depending on how you set up the date on your project. And that's basically it. Just make sure if you're under your emails right here, you go head over to calendars. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.